Good evening, children. How are you all? Fine. Very good. Children, now is the session of business study. Okay. Several topics till now we have discussed in the previous sessions. Okay. And today I would like to start a new chapter, and that is called coordination. A very important concept of management, that is called coordination. You know, children, it is said in the science of management that coordination is the essence of management. Means coordination is that thing, coordination is that a spirit of management which ensures success. Okay? And it is the essence of management in the sense that it justifies the relevance of management. Okay? More clearly, the presence of management, the effective presence of management in an organization, in fact, is realized in terms of the coordination established by it among different activities of the organization. Okay? So now let us discuss first what is called coordination. Okay? You know, children, coordination is an integration of the activities of an organization in a systematic order with proper timing and balancing. This is the appropriate definition of coordination in few words. Okay? But if you go in detail of coordination, you will find that it is an act of management that establishes a harmonious relationship among different activities of the organization. Harmonious relationship here means what? Harmonious relationship here means synchronization of the activities towards achievement of group goals. Okay? How can you understand coordination well? Take the example. Okay, take one example. Suppose the sales manager of a company takes order from the market to make supply of a given commodity in a given amount. Okay? Then the sales manager will report to the production manager to produce that much amount of the commodity which has been ordered. Okay? So now the responsibility of production manager starts how to finish the work of production on time so that the orders of the market can be met, can be fulfilled. Okay? So, if the production manager completes his job of production on time, then the sales manager will be in position to ensure the supply of that amount of the commodity which was ordered from the market. Okay? What happened here? Here is a coordination between the sales department and production department. How to ensure supply in the market. And just imagine, if the production manager does not perform his job on time, then the orders of the market may be cancelled. Okay, only because of not supply on time. Okay, so coordination is required to integrate the different activities with proper timing and balancing, right? Thus, from this point of view, you will find that there are three elements of coordination basically. What are these elements? The first element is integration. The second element is timing. And the third element is balancing. Okay? That means integration plus timing plus balancing is equal to coordination. Okay? When we say integration, that means to integrate different activities of the organization with each other in such a manner that the entire operations of the organization could be conducted successfully. And you know, without proper integration of different activities, the operations of the organization, the major operations of the organization cannot be conducted and the goals cannot be achieved. Right? Thus, from this point of view, coordination is the integration of activities, okay, in a systematic order. You know, children, there are several departments in an organization, in a business organization. Production department, sales department, marketing department, finance department, maybe some other more departments also, depending on the size of the organization and nature of the business. Okay, although all these departments perform different activities under the leadership of their respective departmental managers, however, there is a need to ensure unity of action. Okay? However, there is a need to integrate the activities of all these departments in a proper order so that the entire organization can be, the entire operation of the organization could be successful. Okay? So, coordination is integration. Number one. Number two is timing. Timing is what? You know, children, to be management effective in the organization, it is very much important to complete each and every job on time. Right? Thus, coordination involves maintenance of timing, which means all concerned jobs of different departments of the organization should be performed, if not before, then certainly on time. Okay? Delay in any work may lead to sometimes a greater loss to the organization. So time management is very important aspect of coordination, and for this purpose usually the managers prepare schedules and other exercises they carry out to integrate to maintain proper timing in performing different activities. Okay? The third important element of coordination is balancing. Balancing means what? Balancing means to avoid overwork and underwork. It means the performance of each and every job of the organization should be done only in accordance with the requirement, neither more than that nor less than that. Suppose there is overproduction more than the market demand, then it may lead to loss. Okay, it may lead to loss. So what is required? Here it is required to maintain a balance between different operations and activities of the organization. Okay, so today we have discussed about the meaning and elements of coordination. Okay, and the rest part of this chapter I would like to discuss tomorrow. Thank you very much.